Alright guys, today we're unboxing the Uniform Standard Series 4 sneakers in triple carbon. Right out of the box, the packaging feels premium, really clean and minimal. The sneakers come with this dust bag. The triple carbon finish looks so sharp. Straight away you can tell these are crafted with real attention to detail. These are a size 9 UK, which is size 10 US, and I'd say that these run true to size. Series 4 Uniform Standard sneakers are designed in London and are handcrafted in Portugal. The sneaker is handcrafted from full-grain Italian suede upper and a full-grain leather interior lining with a recycled rubber sole. Now, before we dive deeper, let's take a quick look at the Uniform Standard website. The Series 4 is available in a variety of colours, not just this triple carbon, but also clean whites, earthy tones and some supple seasonal options. These retail at £180 and yes, they do ship internationally, including the United States. Considering the build quality, that price point is very competitive in the premium sneaker space. Now back to the sneakers themselves. The triple carbon is all about understated luxury. You've got smooth, supple suede, which really elevates the overall look without being flashy. The shape is sleek, modern and versatile, meaning you can dress them up or down. One thing I'd recommend straight away is give the suede a spray with suede protector. That'll protect them from rain and keep them looking sharp through the full season. On foot, paired here with navy Reese trousers, you can really see the versatility. They're comfortable right away, with a slim profile that still feels supportive. The quality and finish of the suede is obvious. They're sleek, minimal, and just slot perfectly into modern wardrobe. So, the big question, are these the perfect versatile sneakers for the fall? Honestly, yes. Between the craftsmanship, the comfort, and the all-grey triple carbon colorway, you can pair them with almost anything, from smart casual looks to everyday wear. If you're looking for one pair of sneakers that can carry you through the season, the Uniform Standard Series 4 in triple carbon is a strong contender.